You're watching CKWS News at Noon. A couple of trends that carried on this week that will carry on for another day or two. We're talking about a light rain every day intermittently throughout the region and very warm temperatures. In fact, record-breaking temperatures throughout eastern Ontario. Today, Kingston climbing to 19 degrees. We do see a little bit of sunshine before the sun eventually sets. Some parts of the region actually still dealing with that chance of rain to the north and northeast of us. Overnight, more light rain and dropping to 17 degrees. Average high this time of year is around 10. So yeah, well above average. There's that system that much of the region will see a little bit later on in the day. Again, concentrated around the Sharp Lake, Smith Falls, Ottawa area, maybe even Brockville. And we do catch a little bit of sunshine for Saturday. Not so bad. And then Sunday, temperatures are dropping. I would say plummeting. Yeah, Belleville, enjoy 21 today. 1 to 2 millimeters of a light rain. 15 on Saturday, still well above average. Enjoy some sunny periods, but then by Sunday, a high of 7 degrees. What a difference 24 hours is going to make for you, Belleville. And 2 to 4 millimeters of rain on Sunday. Brockville, 21 today, 17 tomorrow. A light rain both days, and then hitting just 7 degrees for you on Sunday with up to 5 millimeters of rain. Brockville, Smith Falls, good Friday afternoon to you. 20 degrees your expected high today with 1 to 2 millimeters of rain, possibly maybe up to 4, maybe, but 18 on Saturday, 1 to 3 millimeters of a light rain, mostly cloudy for Sunday, and a high of 7, and a return to very chilly overnight lows. Look at that, just 1 degree on the weekend. Kingston, 19 today, 17 tomorrow, both days a light rain, up to 5 millimeters of rain on Sunday as we climb to 7. In fact, that's going to be the trend for a few days, that high of 7. We see a high of 7 on Monday, a light rain. Halloween, finally, some sunshine. Hopefully it'll be a dry trick-or-treating session for you, but a cooler high of just 7 degrees.
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Yes, we'll have to say goodbye to the mild temperatures, those warm temperatures. Some places saw over 20 degrees today. The chance of showers still with us tonight and still really mild. Your overnight low pretty close to what you're going to have for a daytime high tomorrow. And that daytime high is going to come quite early. Clearing and cooling tomorrow. We'll have some strong westerly winds bringing in some much cooler air out of the northwest. And that's going to, bring a little bit of sunshine to our region. Enjoy it because it gets cloudy again Sunday. And still cool, and I think it's going to stay that way for a while. Chance of mixed precipitation could come our way. It's a small probability in the Belleville-Kingston area. Seems that probability grows a little the farther east you look. Cool and wet Monday on the way with showers, too. I don't think we're going to see that risk of flurries in a big way. It's usually in those cooler hours at night if the precipitation should continue. And Monday, I think showers will end early. 19 degrees, Kingston, for a daytime high. They had 22 in Brockville, 21 in Smith Falls, 20 in Ottawa, 21 in both Belleville and Peterborough, 20 in Oshawa, and 23 degrees today in Toronto. Well above normal. 18 is where we're sitting now. West winds at about 15 kilometers per hour. They're going to pick up tomorrow, become a west 30 to 50, and that's what's going to bring in all that cooler air and bring those temperatures down. About 6 millimeters of rain in the last 24 hours, and yeah, we're looking at the chance of some more tonight. Scattered about, not a big solid band of precipitation moving through, but we are looking at a small probability of showers. As this low pushes through, it opens the way for some high pressure, and when that high moves in, it brings in some cooler air. Just on the back end of those showers, some people may see some mixed precipitation, some flurries. And into Sunday, we're looking at that probability of precipitation again. And you can see that little flash of blue as it was moving through on Sunday. In those early morning hours, you're looking at that probability of mixed flurries away from Lake Ontario. So the closer you are to Lake Ontario, that body of water has been warming up all summer long. So it really does make a difference, sort of as a buffer. But to the north, cottage country, away from Lake Ontario, even north of the 401, you might see a mix. There's your chance of showers tonight. And then we start to see it clearing up tomorrow. Not bad. Mostly sunny to a mix of sun and cloud. Come Saturday evening, though, that cloud increases. And as we roll into Sunday, there it is. Just a little bit. I mean, most of the precipitation associated with this low is staying south of the border over the lake, but you can see the temperature difference here and why we're saying that, yeah, north of Belleville, north of Kingston, that sort of thing, you're looking at, the closer you are to the water, the less a chance of flurries. So, and it's short-lived. As we roll into Monday, that probability of precipitation with you again, but I think it's going to be showers. Before it gets to that -2 at night, the showers end and we actually see some clearing Monday night. So Belleville, a high 15 and mainly sunny conditions. It clears quite early, those showers ending early morning, and those winds pretty strong out of the northwest. Sunday, it's a high of 8. And yeah, there is that 30% chance of a shower, maybe a flurry north of the city. Monday, a high 7, and yeah, rain is possible. Brockville, a high of 17 tomorrow with a good 60% chance of showers through the morning and early afternoon. Hope to see that end in the afternoon, and then some partial clearing. You might have a nice late afternoon with some blue sky. For Sunday, though, the cloud increases early morning, a high of 8 with the chance of showers and flurries mixed with it, 40% probability. 80% probability of mixed precipitation on Monday. And in Smiths Falls, looking at pretty much the same trend, some clearing in the morning, west winds 30 to 50. Sunday, a high 7, 40% chance of a shower, could be mixed with flurries. And Monday, it's a high of 5, and 80% chance of showers, could be mixed with flurries as it continues into the evening and temperatures drop. Kingston, your forecast up to 17 degrees tomorrow. Your overnight low is expected to be 16 tonight. So it's really not going to move much, but temperatures will move tomorrow with those strong winds out of the west at 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. It's going to clear the skies, bring you some sunshine, but it's going to bring those temperatures down. We'll be down to a 10 in the afternoon, maybe as low as 3 overnight. Sunday, 7's your high. Yeah, much different temperatures now as we get into that cooler, drier air mass out of the north. But we see a low from the south moving in with a bit of precipitation, and where those two air masses, one warm and one cold, meets, we see showers, maybe mixed with a flurry, but it's only a 40% probability for our area. Most of the active weather south of the border, and it's rain. Monday, a high of 7 degrees with the chance of showers, 80% probability. Another low from the south moves in. For Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud, trick-or-treaters, but when you go door to door, it's going to be about a 5 Celsius. So put some layers under that Halloween costume, but nice to see no precipitation. High of 6 on Wednesday with a mix of sun and cloud, more of the same Thursday with a high of 8, and rising to 9 degrees Friday, mostly cloudy. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
The SS Keewatin arriving in the mist. A couple of tugboats working hard to bring it along. Thanks to Linda Kundrick of Kingston, Westbrook more accurately, who was taking this photo yesterday on Portsmouth Harbor. Thank you so much, Linda. If you've got pics, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
We have seen so many images of the Keewatin arriving, both from the sky and from land, Bill, and you know what? It's magnificent no matter which angle you happen to catch that vessel, which of course is now docked at the Great Lakes Museum, and they have lots of plans for onboard tours, but you're going to have to wait until the spring for that to begin. They think it's
a lot of work to be done on it.
Oh yeah, there's still, yeah, they've basically, it's like when you move a house, you move your furniture, you wrap it all up and you move it. It's still wrapped. A lot of the antiques and the wood and that are still under wraps, so to speak, and so a lot of work still to be done on that. But you know what? They have it. They're going to be working on it, and it'll be open.
Great feature.
For
Glad to have it here in our community.
So a week of change in store, Bill. It starts tomorrow, and of course leading up to the time change, which is next weekend when we fall back.
That's correct, yeah. We will fall back soon, and if you think it's getting dark early now, just wait till that happens, right? Well, the sunset at around 5 o'clock, so.
And, well, we're right on the edge of starting November, so you kind of expect all that to be happening. The blustery winds, the chance of flurries, the darker days or shorter days, so yeah, welcome to November.
It was nice to bask in this delusion we have had over the last week or so with the crazy mild temperatures.
It was good while it lasted, and yes, we'll find out what's in your 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. 10-day outlook, which includes Halloween and a time change.
That's right. We'll be rolling into November in no time at all. Much cooler temperatures, too. We may get a double digit next week, but barely at 11 on Saturday. But it's a warm start tomorrow. Temperatures falling through the day as it clears up. Strong westerly winds bringing a cooler air mass into the region, down to 10 in the afternoon and down to about 3 overnight. Sunday, only a high of 7 as we see the chance of showers may be mixed with flurries. Showers for Monday clearing up in the evening. Then Tuesday, Halloween, no showers. It's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 7, probably about a 5 Celsius going door to door trick-or-treating. Wednesday, a high of 6, mix of sun and cloud. A mix of sun and cloud again on Wednesday, and a high, or Thursday rather, a high of 8, up to 9 degrees Friday, mostly cloudy. Looks like cloudy conditions for Saturday with a high of 11, your mildest day over that period, and then highs of 6 over Sunday, Monday as the chance of showers returns.
Wow, a 10-degree drop from Saturday to Sunday.
I know.
We're going to feel that one.
Big change.
We'll be right back.
Your long-range weather. You're watching Ckws News at 11.
Our group of lows are tracking north, northeast, and as they do, they bring us cloud, showers. Not full time, but, you know, on and off, probability of showers. We actually saw a patch of blue sky this afternoon. The clouds cleared out. But we're getting back into more active weather before the weekend is through. For now, though, the trend is high pressure moving in. That chance of showers you see tonight should end in the morning, and then we're going to see some clearing, but cooling as well. That high moving in is bringing some cooler air. Troughing out of the northwest will continue the trend and keep temperatures down. However, there is another low moving in, and it's just going to skin us. Most of the activity associated with this low will remain south of the border. However, we are looking at not just showers, but some parts of the region might see some wet flurries mixed in with the showers as it cools down. Belleville, a high of 15 tomorrow. That comes early in the day, then clearing and cooling down to about 8 Celsius in the afternoon, and then down to about +1 overnight. +3 overnight, rather. Sunday, it's a high of 8, and you've got cloudy skies. Looks like that chance of showers will probably miss you. Monday, a high 7, and the chance of showers at 80% probability. Brockville, a high of 17 tomorrow. Cloudy with some sunny periods later in the afternoon. You've got a chance of showers in the morning and the early afternoon, but then clearing by the evening. Back to cloud and showers, maybe mixed with flurries as things cool off late in the day Sunday. And in Brockville on Monday, a high 6, and still a good chance of precipitation. The mixed variety is possible. Smiths Falls, a high of 18, clearing and cooling tomorrow. For Sunday, a high 7, the chance of showers or flurries at 40% probability. And Monday, a high 5 and an 80% chance of mixed precipitation. Kingston, a high 17 tomorrow, clearing and cooling. Come Sunday, cloudy with a chance of showers. Could be mixed with a flurry, especially areas north of Lake Ontario, cottage country. Monday, it's a high 7, just showers. Halloween, no precipitation. Cool, though, high 7, probably 5 Celsius as the kids go door to door. Wednesday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 6, up to 8 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud, mostly